come join me for a Wednesday night evening race. This is what I'm going to be wearing. So for my t-shirt, I've got my Helly Hansen technical long sleeve top. This is great because it's got UV 50 protection, so that is great, especially for summer sailing. Then I've just got a normal pair of joggers, and then I've got my HP Hybrid insulator jacket, which is going to keep me nice and warm, and it is nice and breathable, which is super good because it means that I don't sweat. Over my joggers, to make sure I stay nice and waterproof, I've got my Helly Hansen Gear Ocean Race trousers. These are super waterproof as they've got Helly Hansen tech membrane. These are great as they've got big pockets, as one mesh, one normal pocket here. They've got really thick padding on the knees, and they've got the tough outer layer to make sure that they don't wear quickly, and same on the bum. And they've also got micro cuffs here. So this is me now putting it on, nice and easy. One leg in, nice and easy. Just like that. Beautiful. So for my feet, so I can stay nice and glued to the boat, and so I don't slip, especially up on bow, I've got my LPX Musto trainers here. Super good because they've got the anti-marking, anti-slip on them on the bottom, and if you can see here, they've got nice drainage holes in the bottom, so that means that water doesn't just pool up in the shoe, making it heavy, which is not good. LPX shoes are great when paired with the Dex waterproof mid-calf sock, because that means my feet are going to stay dry. So yeah, perfect. Now I've got both shoes on, got my SALOPETTES on. I now need to make sure my top stays dry, otherwise I'm going to have lots of water and I'm going to be wet and miserable. No one wants that. I've got my Helly Hansen Gear Race SMOCK here. This is great because it's got waterproof cuffs, waterproof neck seal. That means no water is going to go down my back or neck or up my sleeve, which is really important. And it's also got these really good Velcro adjustable straps, and also a nice big pocket in here where I've got my notepad in case I need to make any notes about the race or whatever, you know. So really good, and I can keep snacks in there, which is the most important thing. Nice and easy. Make sure there's no rucks or anything in the seal on the neck or cuffs. Here you go. Now I'm fully waterproof, ready to go sailing. This is the Garmin Aquatics 8 watch. Great things about this watch is that I can use the sail race mode, which means that I do have all my times. There you go. So I've got my Garmin Aquatics Go activities, sail race. There you go. So here I've got timer, my tacking angles, true wind direction, and I can also navigate around the course, so I'm nice and quick. Now I'm all ready to go sailing. Perfect. So, let's get out on the water.